Former Cebu City Mayor Tommy Osmeña honored the late Congressman Raul Del Mar the best way he can. When the late lawmaker's remains arrived at Mactan Cebu International Airport, Osmeña and his wife joined the Del Mar family in welcoming the late politico. Del Mar died on November 16, 2020 at the age of 79. He was a politico for 27 years. Osmeña had always known about Del Mar's medical condition. According to Osmeña, the airport in Cebu is one of Del Mar's legacy.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.